Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Today is Friday, so happy Friday. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe another week gone by real quick. Every time when the weekend comes, I just think of Jessie Budget. She's always excited and ready for the weekend. And so yeah, so today I do have a pin pal group Happy Mail, which is from, let me double check, Anna Banana Budget. And let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. All right, Earth Day. Oh yeah, Earth Day is coming. That is so true. You guys, there's just so many national days that I don't know all of these. There's like Dog Day, Daughter Day, Sunday, Coffee Day. I mean, you name it. Nowadays, there's just so many. And you're just like, what in the world? All right, so first thing first, we got some sticker. It says Wild Forest. So cute. Love the color. So me. Okay, so this one right here, Earth Day will save $30. Okay, I like that. I like it that it's very small. Oh my gosh, the Happy Easter one is 40 bucks. It is so cute. Each of them are $2. Oh my goodness. And then the other one is this cute little bunny. You guys, a little carrot. You can make your carrot as big or as low as you want. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Anna Banana. This is so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh. Ah! I will leave her on the description so you guys can go and follow her there. Okay, I will take a thumbnail. So let's go ahead and get started. Freebie Friday, you guys. Today I have $40 to play with. I'll be honest with you, there is a lot of challenges here that are not even halfway done, so I don't think I will complete anything. But then again, you never know, right? You never know. The dice is always, oh my gosh. Okay, I was gonna say, where is my dice? Because I know the kids were playing with it last time, mainly Dylan. But yeah, so the dice is always playing around with us, so you just never know what is gonna happen. All right, so yeah, so this one is Life with Me. This one is in a Banana Budget. We just opened her little Happy Mail. So cute. All right, this one is the Christmas one. It is thicker than a Snicker. All right, so there's that one. And then this one here, it is from Reynolds Budget. I think I'm gonna put the money in here because that one is for Philly. It's good because each of them, it's $1. By the way, guys, how are you guys doing? You guys doing anything fun for the weekend? Let me know. I'm not doing anything, but I'll be honest with you. I saw that the strawberry farm open, like the farm where you go pick your strawberry. I've never gone to You Pick a Strawberry, and so I'll be honest with you, I really want to go. It'll be nice if we go. Maybe not for Saturday, but at least hopefully this month. I want to go pick the strawberries, you guys. I've never been to picking strawberries or anything like that, so I'm excited. All right, guys, so I believe this is Reno too. Yep, it is. And then this one is Cool Mom Plans. So each of them is going to get $1. They're going to fight to get $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to roll the dice and we're going to see how it goes. All right, let's go ahead and do that here. Put this here and take a cute thumbnail picture. Why not? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, cheese. Cheese. Okay, awesome sauce. All right, guys. Woohoo! Wishes luck. Good luck, everybody. I would love to finish this one. It'll be nice. It'll be nice. Okay. Here we go, guys. Whoop. We are starting off with the 4. Did I really forget to do this? Oh my gosh. Oopsies. I forgot. It's okay. It's okay for the thumbnail. It's okay. We forgot. Okay, so this one's that. Okay, awesome. Have you guys gone strawberry picking? Let me know. I'm sure a lot of you guys have gone, but I personally have never gone strawberry picking. We've been so close of going, but we just never go because we're like, we ain't gonna eat them or something. But now I don't care. I want to go. Either I eat them or I make them into something like strawberry chocolate or something, but I want to go. hopefully we can go this month. It'll be nice because, you know, like I've never gone. It'll be nice to go to something that you've never done. All right, number 3. Okay. How's work going, you guys? Any drama at work? Where you at? You guys, I don't understand why people don't take their job seriously. Like, I'll be honest with you. Like, full-grown people acting like a child. But hey, we never grow up, right? I like that. But then again, we have to have responsibility in our life. But that's just how it is. All right, guys, here we go. I hope I do get close to finish something. It'll be nice. It will be nice. Okay, here we go. I do not have any 5s. From now on, I will randomly put in a 5 here and there. But since I want everyone to get a little bit of love, I'm mainly doing $1 bills. I'm not doing a lot of, you know, 5s or anything like that. Randomly here and there, I will put in a 5, but not right now because I want them to get a little bit of love. Okay, here we go, guys. We're almost like halfway. I'm so excited that everyone's getting a little bit of love. This makes me so happy. Oops, it was gonna be a 2, but I caught it. I need a 6. There we go. Yes, 6. Okay, we need more 6 because that's gonna be for like vacation, for anything that I may help out, but we need more 6. I'm also on Christmas. I'm so excited that we're pretty ahead on Christmas. Not that much, but we're getting a long way on Christmas. All right, 5. You guys, at first I didn't like this dice, but now I do because it's like so big and you guys can see it and all the good stuff. Yeah. Number 5, and then the last dollar. Who is it gonna get it? Number 5 too. Okay, awesome sauce. That one's nice. Okay, we're gonna start off with this and move our way down. All right, this one here, it will save us $84, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so I got 5. So we're gonna do the luggage of 3, and then a ticket of 2. So 3 and 2, yes. And that is $5 right there. So let's do that. Okay, awesome. We're starting early, but it's okay. We will get there eventually. We just started this one, so it's not bad. But I do have to change around like some saving challenges. I have to start doing other saving challenges for different like priorities, because I know I've been using this money towards my debt, but I will slow down on my debt right now. I'll be honest with you. I think this is the only month that I'm going to slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one got an 8. And it has a leftover, because we didn't complete it, of $2. So, yes. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one is done. Now let's roll again and see what is going to get. Okay, that one's good. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, it got a 6. Wow, I don't think I have a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, we are $1 off. Oh well. Next time we will get a 6. We will get that 6 going. Okay, so yeah, so like I was saying, this month is probably going to be the last month that I'm fully going to be full mode into trying to kill my debt, because I need to prioritize other things, because like for especially, oh, here comes Dylan. You hear him? He's crying. Yes, Dylan. The door is closed, but he can open it. He can open it, you guys. Hold on. Yes. Oh, thank you. Okay, bye. Thank you. Go with Daddy. Thank you. No, it's not Daddy. Okay, it is not Daddy. All right, guys. So yeah, so like summer is coming, so I need to start saving up for summer. I mean, yes, I will still do my debt, throw money towards my debt, but not as like 100% full mode debt, you know. You guys gonna hear him in the background. But here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6. So, you know, I need to start changing stuff around. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. 6. Oh my gosh. We're gonna play this. We're definitely gonna add this towards my Lucky Sunday. So, Lucky Sunday, if you're new here, guys, Lucky Sunday is basically any challenge that is super close to getting done or almost done. So first time I did it was last Sunday. So this coming Sunday will be the second time I try to do that. So yeah, maybe for Lucky Sunday, gets lucky. All right, guys, this one here got 1, 2, 3, 4. It got a 4. So let's color that purple. Is the last purple. Oh my goodness. Is the last purple on that. So all we have left is 1 yellow, which is a 3. And this one that is a 1. And another yellow. Okay, so 2 yellows. Oh my gosh, we're almost there, you guys. We're so close. Oh my goodness. Okay. That is so exciting. Look how thick this envelope is. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad for it. I need to create maybe new envelopes. I don't know. We will see how that goes. But this thing is thick. Okay. Yes, maybe for Lucky Sunday. Maybe for Lucky Sunday. We're going to play with this one because it's very close. So Lucky Sunday is going to get play with that one. All right. This one right here, you guys. Let's see. So this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So $11. And we have a leftover of 2. So here's one that is a 3. So this one is done. And we're going to roll the dice now and see what we get. Because it's roll and save. So I like that. Because it's a mystery. You're not going to know how much you're going to get. Oop. And we got a 5. Oh my gosh. Why am I getting the bigger numbers today? I don't know. But I like it. Because the bigger, the better. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do it again. Ooh, a 4. Okay. I don't know if we have a 4 yet, but we will see. All right, let's exit out the 5 because we got a 5. All right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got $1. So we're definitely going to see how much we need for next time. Oh my goodness. A 5. It definitely wants me to save. It definitely wants me to save, which is good, which is good. You know what? I'm going to put this money towards summer vacation. If we go, I don't know yet. We don't know. But, you know, I'd rather go ahead and start saving now, ahead, in advance, because you never know, right? All right, so there you go, guys. So we're going to have $1 left over. Let me actually do this. Let me put that $1 here. And we need a 4 for next time to complete that 5. So yeah, so actually, been in that over budgeting. I'm actually going to do this challenge towards my vacation if we ever go to vacation. So yes, okay, I'm going to do that. It's not going to go towards that. It's going to go towards that because I need to start changing stuff around. Just temporary, not all the time, of course. It's just I need to start getting into other stuff. All right, guys, so here we go. This one right here. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, I can complete one. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. This one's definitely going to play Lucky Sunday. It's definitely going to play Lucky Sunday for sure this Sunday. So my goodness. Yes. Yes. All right. And I got a 6, which is going to be this right here. Like the gold pot. All right. Awesome. Let me just do this. Outline it so it doesn't look funky. So all we need now, guys, is a 5 for the clover. So woohoo. Hopefully for Lucky Sunday. All right, there you have it, guys. That is everything. Okay. So you guys know I told you guys that I was gonna do a giveaway coming on April, which now we are on April, you guys. And basically, I'm gonna be doing the giveaways every time I post. I was gonna do them all the giveaway together, but I have decided not to do it that way. I'm actually copying Budget with Amanda. So Amanda, I took your idea for your giveaway. If that's okay, I'm doing it the same way too. I'm going to be doing it every day for every what's it called? Every day for every video until I run out of the giveaway prizes. Okay, so first thing first is going to be this Getting Ahead on Bill from SavSave. It is nothing on there, so it's just random envelopes in here. There is a few of them. So basically it doesn't have anything there, so they're random, so you can write on it if you want to with permanent Sharpie or with whatever you want to write with Expo, and you can use this for your Get Ahead bill. So this is the first giveaway for this one, for this video. It is nice. It is like a size 6 kind of an envelope binder. See, look. So it is nice. So if you want to start getting ahead on bills, this is a perfect time for you to enter in this giveaway. And I'm sorry guys, it's only for US only. I cannot do outside the US. It's gonna be so pricey for me to ship, and then I've never done it either. But if you would love to win this and enter this, so this is my little like giveaway to give back to you guys for everything you guys have done for me, for being able to get monetized. So I will be having a lot of prizes, okay, randomly, okay? So everyone gets an opportunity for you to enter on which giveaway you like to win, if you like it. You know, not everyone's gonna like everything I will be giving away, and like I said, it's a prize, it's free, so why not, right? But yeah, so if you want to go ahead and enter on that one, you guys, comment below bills. You can do bills. It doesn't have to be like how do I say it? It can be on a sentence, or it can just be like at the end of the comment, bills, bills, anything, as long as it says bills. If you put bills, you be like, I want those to pay my bills. I would love that for my bills, or anything like that. Or just in general, if you make a comment saying, girl, I loved your video, period, and then bills, you know, and that, just as long as it says bills on the comment, bills, you'll be entered on that giveaway, okay? And I will announce it on Sunday. I will announce the winner on Sunday for this one. It's just that tomorrow I have a different type of video that I want to share with you guys. I purchased something for myself. I treated myself, and so I want to share that with you guys, because you know, we are in this journey together, and if I don't share with you, I feel like, I don't know, I just like sharing stuff like that. But anyways, first time ever sharing stuff like that. But yeah, so if you want to enter into that, go ahead and comment bills. So yeah, so I will share with you guys the winner on Sunday. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was a longer video, but I appreciate all of you guys. And yeah, don't forget, start saving for your binders. They're coming, I promise. I'm hoping I launch them by the end of next month. I don't know yet. My manufacturer hasn't told me an exact date. They just told me that they will be done this month. It's just with shipping, I know it's going to take a little bit longer. But anyways, just a heads up. It does take time back to back for me to speak with them regarding stuff. We had to change around some of the stuff here before I got my sample. This is my sample, and we changed stuff around before I got my sample, and I fell in love with it. I told them we're ready to go. I like it, just how thick this is. I don't know, I always like stuff like that. So it's thicker than the other ones. But yeah, anyways, I'm just rambling. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a great Friday. And yeah, thank you so much for spending your time with me. Your time is precious, and thank you for giving me part of that to me. Your time is precious, and I appreciate you guys spending it with me. Thank you for showing me love, support, like, comment, silent watcher, you name it. I appreciate all of you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be doing this. Like, you guys motivate me, and I'm glad I kind of motivate you guys in a way too. And even if you're watching here just to be chit-chatting or just to laugh, because I know a lot of you guys told me, oh my gosh girl, you crack me up, or oh my gosh girl, you make me laugh. I'm glad. Like, I think I'm doing something good if I make you laugh. So yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, love you.